Imagine you're home alone. You suddenly fall and can't get back on your feet. Your phone is just a few steps away, but those few steps feel impossible. In an emergency, every second matters. What many Android users don't know is that their phone may already include an Emergency SOS feature designed to help in situations like this. Today, I'll show you what it is, where to find it, and how to set it up on your Android phone. Emergency SOS is a built-in safety feature available on many Android phones. Depending on your phone model, Android version, and your country, it can help you quickly contact emergency services, notify your emergency contacts, or share your location during an emergency. The exact features aren't the same on every Android device, so don't worry if your phone looks different from mine. The important thing is knowing whether your device supports it and understanding how it works before you ever need it. Let's check your phone. Open Settings. Tap the search icon. Type Emergency SOS. If your phone supports it, open the result. If nothing appears, don't panic. Some manufacturers place it under Safety and Emergency instead. On other phones, the feature may not be available at all. Once you've opened Emergency SOS, you'll see the available options. Depending on your device, you may be able to add emergency contacts, share your location during an emergency, or configure what happens when Emergency SOS is activated. Read each option carefully before turning it on, so you understand exactly what it will do. Many Android phones let you activate Emergency SOS by pressing the power button several times in quick succession. However, the activation method varies between manufacturers and Android versions. Before relying on this feature, check the instructions shown on your phone so you know exactly how it works. Be careful when testing Emergency SOS. On some phones, activating it can immediately place a call to emergency services. If you want to test the feature, first review the settings to understand what will happen and avoid making accidental emergency calls. Hopefully, you'll never need to use Emergency SOS, but spending just a few minutes checking whether it's available on your Android phone could make a real difference if an emergency ever happens. If you enjoy Android tips and phone tutorials, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.